welcome you to this school year. And I hate that I cannot be with you today, but I am out of town at a funeral. My husband's grandmother passed, and I had to be with the family today. But I will see you on tomorrow, and I cannot wait to meet each and every one of you. I have heard so many good things about you, and I have looked at your test scores from last year, and you are truly a bright bunch. And I cannot wait to get this school year started. Before you get into your activities for the day, I wanted to go over some things with you. Mrs. Thompson is an excellent substitute, and she will be here with you today. I have left everything out for her to do with you, and I wanted to first go over the rules of our classroom. Rule number 1 is follow directions quickly. Now you say rule number 1. Okay, great. Rule number 2, raise your hand for permission to speak. Now you say rule number 2. Very good. Rule number 3, raise your hand for permission to leave your seat. With gestures, you say rule number 3. Okay. Rule number 4, make smart choices. Now you say rule number 4. And last but not least, my favorite rule is rule number 5. Keep your dear teacher happy. Now you say rule number 5. Great job. On tomorrow, we will review all 5 of these rules. Rule number 1, follow directions quickly. Rule number 2, raise your hand for permission to speak. Rule number 3, raise your hand for permission to leave your seat. Rule number 4, make smart choices. And rule number 5, keep your dear teacher happy. When I want to get your attention, I will say, class. You will respond, yes. However I say class, that's how you will say yes. Let's practice. Class. You should have said yes. Now let's try another one. Class, class, class. You should have said yes, yes, yes. Now let's practice again. Classity, class. You should have said yesity, yes. Class. You should have said yes. These are the ways that I will get your attention when I need to say something to you. Behind me is the board. Over here is a score chart where you can earn coupons. We are going to be in competition daily. And guess who the players are? Me against all of you. And when you do something that I ask you to do, points for you. Oh yeah. When you do not do the things that I ask you to do, or when you don't do them quickly enough, score for me. Oh yeah. Okay, and also, when you get a point from me, then I have to give you a point on the score chart that says Mighty Grown. When I go to the board and put a point for Mighty Grown, you are to go, Do that with me. When you get a point, you get a 1-second party, and you get to say, oh yeah. I will talk to you more about this on tomorrow. Now on today, you have some back-to-school activity packets out on your desk. You will work in these packets today. You will hear a first day story. You will also fill out a reading inventory to let me know about your reading styles and the types of books that you like to read. You will also be organizing your supplies today, and Mrs. Thompson is going to help you with that. I have buckets out in front of the room for you to put all of your Ziploc bags in, your pencil top erasers, your index cards, and your tissue boxes. In regards to your pens, your glue sticks, your crayons, and all of that, there will be some Ziploc bags up here labeled that Ms. Thompson will pass out for you to put in there. On top of your lockers, you also have a clear bin containers. You will put your extra supplies in there. Every morning when you come in, there will be a bell ringer on the board for you to complete. It is a writing prompt. You are to come in and get started immediately, and while you are listening to the morning announcements. Also, in regards to taking attendance, on the wall over here, I'll show you a chart in which you have a paper clip with your name on it, and you can move your paper clip on the other side when you are present. And if you are not here, I'll know you are not here because your paper clip will still be on the side that says absent. Also, if there are any notes that you have from me from home, they are to go in the mailbox in the back. You do not put anything in my hand when you come into the classroom, nor do you come up to my desk to hand me anything. I will tell you where to put money, I will tell you what to do with your homework, and I will tell you what to do with your notes from home. And when you came in on the board for your journal writing, you had to list 2 goals that you had for the school year. On tomorrow, you are going to actually publish those goals on here. You're going to construct a flower with the flower pot. The small flower will represent something that you are not so good at, but that you want to become better at. The big flower will represent something that you are really good at, and you're going to become even better at that. And you're going to write your name, and then you're going to write it in a statement. I am good at, I am not so good at, but I want to be better. And we're going to post them out on the hall, here, bloom, where you are planted. Because at the end of the year, all of you will be able to bloom. And there are some other things that I want to share with you, but I can wait and share those with you on tomorrow. I hope you have a great first day. Again, I apologize for not being able to be with you today, but I look forward to meeting and greeting each of you on tomorrow. Class, you should have said yes. Have a great day, and I will see you on tomorrow.
Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Welcome back.
Yeah, man.